तेरा तेरा गोरा चिट्टा रंग में ते हो गया मलंगा और तेरा गोरा चिट्टा रंग में ते हो गया मलंग तेरी मस्त जवानी वे शेक your body मेरी हो जा हबीबी शेक your body मेरी हो जा हबीबी शेक your body मेरी हो जा हबीबी मेरी हबीबी वे. That's for Sunny Leon. Whoa!
That's how we do it on Break Free. That's how we do it. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon,
Hi.
evening, good night, whatever time you are watching. I'd like to welcome you to my new show, Break Free.
Whoa!
Thank you. For those who don't know me, I'm Kainaz Jasawala. I'm an author, blogger, columnist, and an undercover lover. And for those who know me, of course, you'll know what I'm all about. So today, I'd like to make you meet a very special guest. He's none other than Sahil Chadha. Hi, Sahil.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Hi, Kainaz. Very good. Thank you for inviting me on your show. And I love the name, Break Free. Whoa, I like it. Yeah, it's very nice. It's really cool.
Thank you. Sahil is Sahil is an actor, a filmmaker, and a soundtrack artist. I've gone over him 150 times because I'm not familiar with the term. And he's done so many things, which are film related and movie related, and you must be finding him so familiar. So there's no way that I could not invite him to the show because he's the one who actually launched my first book, Coffee Day Champagne Nights. He was the host, he was the anchor to my show, and he did such a brilliant job. So today I have to return the favor. Also, he's a good friend from many decades, a few decades. I was 50 when I knew him. So
yeah, really? I said the better. Let's move ahead.
So I know it was so long, and I could not resist, making him my first guest, and also the comfort factor of knowing someone, and also having a celebrity.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Kai.
Sahil, this is my new show, Break Free, and it's going to not only have celebs, it's going to have, people who are going to inspire, motivate us, and it's going to be a fun side of people, a non-pretentious side.
Break Free, I really liked it. I mean, it's so much like you.
Really?
Break free. yeah, absolutely. It suits you. It suits you very well.
So I was like, I was so tired of just sitting at home and being like uninspired. And I said, I have to do a show. I have to meet new people. If not normally, at least online. So one day I just walked down and I'm buying my eggs. And suddenly I hear, in the background on the window, Kainu. Familiar voice. It's Ronnie Uncle Pestanji, 75-year-old man who lives in flat C on the ground floor. I said, okay, it's lockdown. Come on, he's bored. His wife is sitting in Canada with their son. I said, let me go. I said, hi, uncle. Kem cho? I said, uncle, su thayo? Come here. I said, su thayo? Lockdown is over. I said, 100 times he's asked me that. Babaji, I'm very upset. I need you to help me make a video. I said, how can I make a video? Are you have that show, Ban Maska Chai. What is that show you have? I said, uncle, chai with chai, please. Yeah, that one. So you know how to make a video. So you'll do it for me. No, I'm alone now. The only person I have is Gangubai Rani Bai. I said, how I will be able to ask you to make a video? I said, okay, uncle. But what do you want the video to say? I want to say something to the government of India. I said, government of India? I said, uncle, please don't involve me in politics. Mane to ki karu nathi politics ma. Nahi, mane government of India ma baat karwani chhe. I said, શું બોલવાનું છે તમને? હું પારસી છું. હું રોયલ્ટી છું, બ્લુ બ્લડ છું. ને હું સિનિયર સિટીઝન છું. હું લોકડાઉન નથી કરવાનો. I want to go out. I want to have my social life back. I said,
Oh, sweet.
okay, so you're going to tell this to the government? No, not like that. Opera of Freddie Mercury, right? Say, I am going to just sing. I want to break free. I want to break free.
So this break free is from there?
That break free is from there. So me with my andas in my hand. Oh my God. The anda ka funda and the break free all together. And I said, you know what? Forget every show name. This is the show name. This is the sign. And I'm sure the viewers are just waiting to know, Sahil, something that is there in my mind. Okay? Whenever people have seen you, even your social media handles, if they don't know you, or whoever knows you, we are completely mesmerized by one thing. There's one thing in common. Your never say die attitude. You don't have this low, what I go through these mood swings. You are a guy who's always upbeat. You're always out there. What keeps you going? What makes you so optimistic in life? This is something you need to share with everyone, and everyone can learn.
It's just faith in my own self, faith in my work, my exercising, which keeps me going, and it's just the spirit. I like the spirit, which I feel it is. I need to thank my parents for giving me those values which help me. So which really helps. You're there, my friend.
Yes, absolutely. So, you've been in the industry for 25 years, over 2 decades.
Yep.
And your first film was really, really popular. Okay, like it was a rage back then. Lal Dupatta Malika. And the songs were like on a different level. It was with Gulshan Kumar, was it?
Mr. Gulshan. Yeah.
The late Gulshan Kumar. And it was a romantic movie, and people remember you by that. I know that you have struggled to get over that tag, but people do remember with your first movie because it was so good. If it's a flop, people don't obviously remember for the wrong reasons, but this is for the right reasons. And then you went on to anchor shows, and you hosted shows, and you did so much in this industry, like the industry better than anyone. So there are so many things I want to ask you about this industry, because you're the right person to catch, especially at this time when everybody is like so intrigued and confused about the film industry.
I am not a party guy. I've always loved being with my friends, with my own set of people. And even when I finish my shoot, I come back home. I prefer coming back home. And I love going out to the movies with my friends and the families. I am not, that could be my shortcoming, but I still feel, if you're sincere to your work,
right,
if you're honest towards your work and your people with whom you're working, the work flows. Right. And that's how I have survived in this industry. It's survival of the fittest, I would rather say.
Yeah.
Because I would say, at that time also, there were groupism was there when I started off, but it's okay. It's there in every business, in fact, as a matter of fact, I would say. I mean, एक हलवाई अपने बच्चे को ही बनाएगा, हलवाई की दुकान पे बैठाएगा. He won't say कि आजा मैं अपने worker को बैठा देता हूँ. He won't say that. So I still feel, but there is space for everyone. There's a lot of space for everyone.
See, that's what I mean. You're so positive, I mean,
no, it's not that. Sometimes I'm human being. Sometimes I do feel, let down by certain things. But then I say, forget it. If I let that thing affect me, it is going to spoil my health. Or rather, I look a positive. I always see a glass half full rather than half empty.
Right.
That's my philosophy.
Right.
Yeah, that's my philosophy.
Unlike mine, I don't see the glass at all.
Then you have to wear glasses.
Where's the glass? Where's the glass? I don't see a glass.
Yeah, all right. Okay, cool.
But Sahil, that's because you're, because I know that you practice Buddhism. Is it Buddhism that has given you this balance and this whole maturity of life?
This philosophy, Nichiren Daishin and Buddhism, has kind of cemented those values. And it has really, really, really taken me far ahead.
Okay.
I've been practicing Buddhism for almost 20 years now. I mean, and it really gave me the correct perspective towards life. It says one very simple thing, that whatever we are undergoing, good, bad, ugly, is because of our past karma.
Okay.
So if you want to see what you're going to undergo in the future, you have to see what you're doing, what causes you're creating in the present.
So you can create your future, you mean?
Yes, of course you
Okay.
can.
Okay.
Yeah, by chanting Namyo Horenge Kyo, with chanting Namyo Horenge Kyo. Namyo Horenge Kyo literally means I bow down to the ultimate law of cause and effect.
A lot of people who are this generation can learn from something that you are saying, because nowadays, as you know, and whatever's happening in the world, we're not going to get into that because we don't get into politics or religion or controversy. I don't do controversy.
Fair enough. Yeah, I also believe that.
But it's a lot of people can actually learn from things, other people's mistakes or experiences. So thanks for sharing that. I'm sure a lot of people who are
I also believe, I would also like to share one more thing is, I feel, every human being has got good, bad, ugly. Okay. The positives are there, also there. Negatives are also there.
Right.
Like in Buddhism, they say he's a Buddha and he's a Devdatta as well. So Devdatta is negativity. Buddha is positivity.
Okay.
So I say adapt the positive things and ignore the negative things. Simple. Right. My philosophy is very simple.
Now, since you mentioned Buddha, I don't have your Buddhism, but every guest that I have, I always connect them with something that I have in my house. And right now, because of course, I'm sitting and cleaning all my drawers, I find so many things that are, old items and things. So today I found something. It's not really old, but it is, Buddha himself. This is the other kind of Buddha.
Oh, sweet. The laughing Buddha. Whoa.
Yeah.
So you owe me this, huh? Kainaz Jassa wala. You owe me this pillow, this cushion.
No, it's not.
This cover.
No. This is mine.
No.
This Buddha mera hai.
Keep it.
Buddha mera hai.
Achha,
not
theek.
that Buddha.
Tu Buddha rakh le. Tu Buddha rakh
वो
le.
Buddha नहीं, ये Buddha.
अच्छा ठीक है, रख ले.
कोई भी बुद्धा रख ले ना, बस ठीक है.
हाँ. बुद्धा अच्छा होता है.
अच्छा होता है ना, लकी होता है. So, Sahil, now I think it's time for second segment. This was the first one.
Okay.
Which was striptease. Okay, which you just did.
Okay.
Striptease. Not striptease.
Okay.
I guess.
Striptease. Okay. Okay. All right. Cool.
Now the second one is called coffee, chai, or cocktails.
Wow. I like it.
Yeah,
and I like chai, you know that.
Coffee?
I like my chai.
Chai, of course, my chai with Kai mug. And cocktails, cocktail glass. Of course, it's not full right now because by the time it's like 8 o'clock, it's going to get full.
Got it.
So, whichever you choose, okay, those questions,
chai.
Set of questions, I'll give it to you. Chai. Okay. Now,
chai,
these questions are like rapid fire with a twist, okay? Rapid fire with a twist. So, I'm going to ask you these questions. You have to answer them really quick and wittily. And if I'm impressed with you, then you get to ask me any question of your choice. And also since you've chosen chai, you get a chai with Kai after the lockdown, any place of your choice.
Cool. I have a great question for you. Yeah, if I win.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. Yeah. But first we focus on your rapid fire with the twist questions.
Okay.
So,
cool.
Are you ready for that?
Absolutely. Let's go ahead.
Before I do that, there's something I have for the viewers, because the viewers and the audience, as you know, are the most important people on the show. And yes, and there's a little contest for them. I am going to be asking them a question at the end of the show, viewers. It's going to be a question for you. The question that will be there will be from one of the rapid fire with a twist questions that I asked Sahil. And so you'd better keep your ears attentive. And are you ready? And the gift,
absolutely ready.
And the viewers, there's a gift for you at the end as well from my secret sponsor. It's going to come straight in your email. So if you answer that question, you will get a gift straight from my secret sponsor.
Who is your secret sponsor?
I knew that was coming.
You insisted. I have a secret sponsor. So I need to know, because why should I do everything free for you? Kainaz Jassa wala. Let your secret sponsor pay me something for these interviews.
So you get a chai with me. I think that itself is bigger than anything that you'll get in this world. So ready for coffee, chai, or cocktails? Okay? One role you would have liked to play in a recent film?
Why you? Okay, there are three roles which I would like to share.
Okay.
Number one is Masoom.
Mm-hmm.
Masoom, Nasiruddin Shah. Second is Chak De,
Mm-hmm.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Mm-hmm.
I love that part. I love that film also.
Mm.
And the third one, which is Chini Ka, Mr. Bachchan. Wow.
Oh yeah. So three awesome.
All
actors.
the three are great.
Three awesome actors, three great movies. That's a good choice, I must say. One film genre as a director you would like to explore in 2021. One genre.
Nice, interesting question. Because because these days, there's pandemic and lockdown. I see so many people. There's so much of an anxiety,
right.
Uncertainty is there, insecurity is there. So I feel there's a lot of need for making people laugh and smile.
Yeah.
So so I would like to make a slice of life film.
A slice of life.
A slice of
okay.
Yeah, that's right.
So that's
or a feel good film, whatever.
You made your own genre, which is actually nice. A slice of life. I like that.
Yeah.
The actress you think you would make the best on-screen jodi with?
I love Madhuri, man.
She
is so good.
You've loved since where? Too long? Someone new, yeah?
No. But she's amazing. Still looking so beautiful.
Yeah,
I must say that.
No.
Juhi Chawla, both are very awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Both are awesome. And dear friends.
Yes.
And, okay. The latest one, if you say, okay. I like Anushka Sharma. I would like, or Vidya Balan. Vidya Balan, of course. Vidya Balan.
Yeah, Vidya Balan. That's great. Because Anushka Sharma is out of circulation at the moment, She's got her I don't think
I really wish her all the best.
Work at the moment. It'll be like Anushka Sharma or XXX.
Okay, cool. You don't have to go into nitty-gritties.
A message to the young stars of today. What message you'd like to give the young stars? Important question. What message? Quickly.
Patience and perseverance. Simple. Patience and perseverance.
Yeah.
Keep doing it,
Yeah.
I mean, you have to be at it.
Yeah.
And you have to have that patience. Don't get impatient and get into there's so many things, distractions which are there, which unfortunately, it ruins their lives.
Absolutely.
I feel, patience and perseverance.
Absolutely.
That's it.
Okay, this one's an interesting one, okay? You have to choose, okay? Who will be, out of these three, object of affection, friend, and colleague?
Okay, very interesting. What are the options?
Anushka, Vidya, and Deepika. Object of affection, friend, and colleague.
Object of affection will be Anushka Sharma now, since she's into labor. So we need to give a lot of affection.
She's going into labor.
I mean, she's going into labor. His friend is, of course, Deepika Padukone, and colleague is Vidya Balan. What an actor!
Friend is not Vidya Balan. I'm not asking why. Yeah. I don't think I want to know anything about why.
Okay, fair enough.
You have your own reasons for everything.
Yeah. Yes, of course. Yeah.
Are you taking a secret photo of me on your phone?
No, my dear. I was just, there was something which was coming, so I just need to check.
Okay. Now the next one is, if Sunny Deol and you were stuck in an elevator.
Wow.
Not Sunny Deol.
I like it.
Sunny Leon.
No, Sunny Deol तुम्हारे लिए भाई, मेरे को नहीं, भैया नहीं चाहिए. आप रखें भैया जी को. I like Sunny Leon. She's so pretty, man. She's really pretty. हाथ, हमारे पंजाबी में उसको कहते हैं हाथ लाया मैली हो गए. मतलब तेरा गोरा चिट्टा रंग में ते हो गई अलमा लंग तेरी मस्त जवानी वे ना 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 शेक के बाड़ी मेरी हो जा हबीबी, शेक के बाड़ी मेरी हो जा हबीबी, शेक के बाड़ी मेरी हो जा हबीबी, मेरी हबीबी वे. That's for Sunny Leon. Whoa!
That's how we do it on Break Free. That's how we do it. Now, Birdie has told me that you are a poet. So, 2 lines from any of your poetry, which you would like to actually share with the viewers.
Yeah, I'll make it very short. This is my first poetry which I wrote, and it is the anecdote behind it is it's a relationship. When the relationship is going fine, everything looks very beautiful, but when the relationship goes kaput, so even if you're wearing the best of the suit, the other person will say, he's overdressed. Okay.
Yeah.
सिमटा सिमटा सा एक लम्हा कहने लगा मुझे जीने दो, बंधे बंधे क्यों अरमा मेरे, मुझको भी आसमां छूने दो.
वाह 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 वाह.
Yeah.
ऐसे बोलते हैं ना.
So पलट, हाँ, ऐसे तो लग रहा है कुछ छुट्टा नहीं है भाई. ऐसा नहीं बोलने का, ऐसा बोलने का. वाह वाह.
Sorry, wow.
Okay.
Wow.
That looks cool.
Wow.
So सिमटा सिमटा सा एक लम्हा कहने लगा मुझे जीने दो, बंधे बंधे क्यों अरमा मेरे, मुझको भी आसमां छूने दो. So that's the first poetry.
Wow. Okay.
It's yeah.
That's great. A film on your life. What would be the title?
Interesting. I like these docudramas which I'm seeing, and I would say Bhag Milkha Bhag ki jagah Bhag Sahil Bhag, It's like always on the move.
Always
so
on the move.
That should be, always on.
What does this word break free mean to you?
Break free is again, breaking all your shackles. You don't get bound.
Yeah.
You even in obstacles, you make those obstacles into opportunities.
Yeah.
So that is break free for me.
So Sahil, I think you have done pretty okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Your first coffee, chai, and cocktail with me you've done pretty well. So I shall.
Wow.
So you get a chai with Kai after lockdown.
Thank you, Kai.
We'll keep it at a very simple place. Because nowadays...
Yeah, I'll take you to... You take... Yeah, no, that's okay. I understand. We'll go to Chayos and have it. My desi chai. Let's move ahead.
And you get a question. Anything of your choice.
Thank you. Okay, Kai. Let me...
privilege. This is a privilege.
Okay, yeah. There's a brilliant... I am... I knew, Dev Saab, Dev Anand, the great Dev Anand, the legend, Yeah. Yeah, and he was very fond of you.
Yeah, well,
and he was very fond of me as well. Yes, of course. But one time I went.
Everyone's fond of me. Let me.
Okay, but let's talk about Dev Anand Saab.
Okay.
I went with you, and I felt so jealous for the very simple reason he hugged you so much, and I was standing and I was sulking behind, and then he looked at me and he said, "Sahil, tu bhi aaja yaar, tu bhi aaja, mere gale lag ja." And I said, "Okay, sir. मैं अकेले आता हूँ तो मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा फुटेज मिलती है, यहाँ पे तो सर काइनाज को ज्यादा फुटेज मिल रही है." अरे यार, वो लड़की है तो समझ जा, खूबसूरत है, मैंने कहा
No, he was absolutely fantastic. He was such a good friend of mine.
No, but he was always mesmerized by you. I realized, whenever एक दो बार when I went alone also, कहीं ना कहीं से घूम फिर के बात, he used to bring it to you. He said, वो तेरी दोस्त है ना काइनाज. मैंने कहा हाँ सर, जस्सा वाला. हाँ, बहुत अच्छी लड़की है. मैंने कहा हाँ सर. And I believe he wanted to launch you in a movie.
Who told you that?
एक बार मुझे उन्होंने बोला था, यार वो लड़की अच्छी है, फिल्मों में कैसे?
No, actually, talking about that, Devanand I used to call DA. He was DA to me.
I know.
And, he was a very special friend of mine, and yes, he did say, "I'd like to, I would love to launch you, see you on screen."
Cast you?
Yeah,
wow.
I would love to see you on screen. And he said, "I would love to do that, and because your smile can launch 1,000 ships." And
which Titanic? Launch.
So the story was that I said, okay, yeah, of course, I'm ready for a movie, So what if I'm a journalist? I'll be also a film star. So, but when he heard me speak Hindi, ship,
I like it.
The ship was then
it became Titanic.
Titanic, and the plans went like Titanic. क्योंकि मेरी हिंदी ऐसे तो बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन जब डायलॉग मारना है तो मेरी हिंदी थोड़ी वीक हो जाती है, कमजोर हो जाती है.
बस तुम वैसे कमजोरी नहीं है, तुम में तुम्हारी हिंदी में कमजोरी है, तुम छोड़ दो उसको.
मेरे सब हिंदी फैंस है जो मुझे हिंदी में बोलना पसंद करते हैं. प्लीज, आई स्पीक हिंदी. मैं हिंदी बहुत बढ़िया बात करती हूँ और मैं गुजराती बात करती हूँ.
जी, बहुत अच्छी करती है.
Thank you. Right. That was a good question, actually. You made me relive the memories of him.
DA?
GA. He was
Dev Saab.
Dev Saab.
Dev
Dev Saab was
Anand.
a legend.
My favorite. He was debonair, dashing Dev. Yeah, I
Effervescent.
used to call him.
If there was one
Yeah.
person in this world who taught you to live
Yeah.
the moment and live it king size, it was Dev
Yeah.
Anand. There's no one to beat that. Absolutely.
So I'm trying to follow his steps. When you asked me, it is so important for me to just move on. I would like to share something. Forthcoming venture of mine is a web series where I'm acting in it. It's coming on Sony Live. Hopefully,
Okay.
it should be out next month
Okay.
in October, and it's a different Sahil Chadda altogether.
Oh,
I'm
that's nice. We look forward
reinventing
to
myself a different.
We look forward
Yep,
to that.
thank you.
And
Thank you, thank you,
viewers,
thank you.
now it's time for digital drama. This is the time where you have to know about Sahil's amazing social media handles, which have really good posts and videos, much better than mine. So
Thank
do
you.
keep following
No,
me.
no.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Do
Okay,
follow
thank
him.
you.
Do see his posts and videos. He does a lot of good things, and I think please tell me more about all his handles. Sahil, please tell them all about where they can find
So
you.
I am. You can find me on Facebook, SAAHILCHADHA Sahil Chadda, and on Instagram, SAAHIL.CHADHA.
I'm going to put it up. I'm
And,
going to put it up later.
yeah, and of course, I'm there on Twitter as well at Sahil Chadda, @Sahil Chadda.
I would like to tell viewers that take a message from this video. Keep being motivated and to never say die, never give up on your dreams, because that's what you're all about. You are about not
That's
giving
right.
up on your dreams. And that's something
That's
that
right.
I would love to have everybody take back from this video. I would like my audience to also take back a prize. So guys, I'm going to ask you a question. The choice of Sahil's genre that he would like to experiment with in 2021 as a filmmaker. And that's all. You'll get a gift voucher. So do join in the competition and do watch my videos. And I hope you all enjoyed Break Free.
Thank you, Kai. Thank you. It's an honor to be in your show. Thank you. Thank you very much for having me over.
Most
Cheers.
welcome.
Bye.
Guys are watching Break Free, and we'll see you later. And do subscribe, like, and comment, and be with us always. Thank you for all your love, and bye for now.
फटाफट अभी गर्मा गर्म कर लो.
नहीं, I think it's
अब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. पहले नहीं हुआ था.
Shit.
You want to do it again? Let's do it fast.
Okay.
गरम है.
You know what you?
Let's start.
Oh my God! You cut out the too much talking, huh? And I also cut out my
Yeah.
talking. Oh God! I'm so sorry. What's wrong?